We good products at the best price to make a life. Consumer perception of high price is that the quality of the product or service is also high, and although it is sometimes that the myth relax. Finding quality service or products at the low price can create more satisfaction in people. Sometimes the price influences a lot when market a purchase. There are many options at variety in that and more when it comes to high consumption products or service, which has to has to do directly with their quality. I believe that we must be very intelligent when applying market strategies and even more so if it is to earn a living, because if we will buy good products at better price, we can sell them at price that they are not very expensive, since we were not going to with customers but loss, and therefore we will lose every time invested, since we will not have sales.